Goodleap solar review. Should you use it? Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to talk about Goodleap Solar and give you an honest review of its pros and cons. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. Let's first talk about Goodleap Solar. Goodleap offers financing for solar energy systems and energy efficient home upgrades. One of the biggest advantages is that they provide flexible payment options. This helps homeowners switch to solar without a heavy upfront investment. Their application process is also quick and simple, which makes it easier for people to apply and get approved. Another benefit is that Goodleap partners with many solar installers, which gives users a lot of options when it comes to choosing a service provider. Also, Goodleap claims to offer competitive interest rates depending on credit score and other factors. However, there are a few downsides. Some users have reported issues with customer service, especially when it comes to billing or early repayment. There are also cases where users didn't fully understand the terms of the loan due to limited explanation. So, it's important to read the agreement carefully before signing. So that's basically the main differences are between the pros and cons of Goodleap Solar, which will help you in choosing the right option for you. So that's all for this video.